So I made a PayPal account creation tutorial not too long ago, and it has helped a lot of people create their own PayPal account, and it's working fine for them. But unfortunately, some few people are having issues creating their own PayPal account using the same method, and some people will create the account and then they get flagged immediately. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining why you're getting those errors and how you can fix that. And if you have an account already, I'm also going to be sharing tips and tricks on how to keep your account safe without ever being banned, and what you should do if your account ever gets banned. So if this is something that you're interested in, let's dive in. So number one is skipping the tutorials. A lot of people are fond of skipping videos. When they're watching videos like this, they keep skipping because they feel, oh, okay, I know this part, okay, let me skip. Those parts that you skip, let's assume that someone is typing a name, and then as he's typing that name, and then you skip that part because you feel, okay, you're just filling a form. But while I'm filling that form, I might drop one or two things that could help you achieve whatever goal you have for watching that particular video. If it's a tutorial on how to open a PayPal account, for instance, you would have missed tips that could help you open a successful PayPal account. I don't know how a 10 minutes, 15 minutes video is an issue for some people to watch to the end. I don't know. You want to get the best out of a particular video, please don't skip. Just watch it to the end so that you can get all the details that is in that video, so you don't miss anything. And if you miss something, it's going to affect you on the long run, because you might now go ahead and start creating your own account and then have issues, and you won't know that it's as a result of what you have missed. I see some of those people all the time. Like, they will ask you questions in the comment section of something that you actually took time to explain in the video, and they will ask you a question on that, and then you will like, this person obviously did not watch this video. And that brings me to number two, which is a lot of people actually watch tutorials like how to do something, and then they go ahead and start practicing while the video is on. If you try to do that, you're going to run into an issue, because most of the time the person that is creating that video is creating that video in real time. So there are some challenges the person is going to encounter while creating that video that the person is going to communicate to you later on in the video. And then if you follow the person verbatim, you are still going to encounter the same problem, and then at the end of the day you would have wasted your time and it might not even work for you. So all I advise is that you watch the video from the beginning to the end before you then go and implement. If you miss out on anything, you can then refer back to the video and refresh your memory. It's as simple as that. But if you're doing it while the video is going on, you're definitely going to miss something. And this is one of the reasons why a lot of people are having issues with their PayPal accounts. If you're watching a PayPal tutorial for the first time, please just focus on watching the tutorial and get every point, every detail that is in that video. Follow everything, make sure you write every point down. And then when you want to start implementing, it will be very easy for you, and then you will not encounter any issues whatsoever. So please, I advise watch the video to the end first time before you can then start implementing. And number three is make sure you use the exact name that is on your means of identification. So whatever name you have on your ID card, on your government ID card, make sure it's the same name that you're going to be using to create the PayPal account, so that when you want to verify, it's going to go smoothly. I'm still going to talk on this much later in the video, because there is a very most important part that I need to share with you, and that is one of the major reasons why a lot of people get blocked on arrival. So please make sure you watch to the end so that you can get that part, because if you miss it, you've missed the entire point of this video. And then number four is use incognito mode, or a browser that you have never used before, to access a PayPal account. So if you're having an issue with your PayPal, or you're trying to create and then you get flagged, so if you're going to be trying the next time, make sure you don't use the same browser that you used previously, and then also make sure that you use incognito mode. Don't use the normal browser, or if you're going to use normal browser at all, make sure that you use a fresh browser that you have never used to access a PayPal account before. And number five is don't ever log in your PayPal account using the PayPal app. Please avoid the PayPal app. As long as PayPal is not approved in our country and some other countries, please, you don't have any business with the PayPal app, else you will get blocked instantly. In fact, we don't even have any business with the PayPal account. Once you create it, you don't have any other business with it. It's not like a social media app that you have to access all the time. The only business you have with PayPal is to move the money that you have in the PayPal account. So whenever you receive money, that's when you just rush to your system and move the money from the PayPal account to your local bank account. and you're good to go. Number 6, make sure you use a different internet network. Please, this is very important. Make sure you use a different internet network. If you have been using a particular network to log in, or if you have used a particular network to create an account, that's internet service provider, make sure on your next try that you use a totally different network provider. That is, your IP address should be totally different from the one that you used previously to access the account. Else, you'll get flagged instantly. And the next one is PayPal won't tell you that they don't accept national identity card, and that is one of the reasons why a lot of people are having challenges with their registration process. In fact, 90% of the time that you get instant flag after registering a PayPal account is as a result of registering with NIN, that is National Identity Card. So please make sure you use your driving license or your international passport. These two are the most accepted and they are the standards. All these international platforms don't accept NIN because of one particular thing: it doesn't have the date of birth. So that is the only way they can confirm your date of birth, your age, to be able to give you access to their platform. And then the next one is, don't try to log in from multiple browsers. Maybe you're trying to log in from the incognito mode and then you're having issues maybe with the captcha or something, and then you decide to try it with another browser. That one happened to me. So that one happened to me. So you're trying to log in and then it seems as it's not working, or you forgot your password or something, and then you say, okay, let me try it on another browser, and then once you just type PayPal, you get flagged. So make sure you stick to just one way that you log into your PayPal account. If it's incognito mode and a particular system, make sure you access your PayPal account with just that browser. And talking about PayPal, if you haven't created your own PayPal account yet, I recommend that you watch this video. Here is a tutorial on how to create a PayPal account that works for you. So you're going to use all these things that I've tabled out in this video to create the account, and trust me, it's going to work for you 100%. Please go ahead and watch. But if you have watched this and you have created your own PayPal account, then this is the video that YouTube recommends that you should watch next. So go ahead and watch it, and see you on the other side.